Namaste students, today we are starting a new block, that is evolution of transport. What is transport? Why do people travel? People travel, okay, we travel for various reasons. For many reasons we travel. To meet people, to wish new people, to go to school, to go to market, to go to workplace. Workplace means office. Okay, to buy things from the market. For various reasons, we travel from one place to another. In earlier times, people traveled on foot. Foot means they used to walk. In earlier times, people traveled on foot or they used animal transport. So their traveling was slow. But today, we use vehicles to travel from one place to another. So now we can travel very fast. Traveling became very fast, okay, with the vehicles. In the earlier times, early humans, they traveled in search of food. They traveled to hunt and to gather food. So they traveled mainly for searching their food. So in the process they observed the nature. What are the things that are happening around them? They observed. They observed the logs or the tree trunks rolling down from the hills. The tree trunks, okay, the trunk of part of the tree, okay, that was rolling down on the hills or the slopes. They got an idea that we can use this to carry loads. How the tree trunk is just sliding down, like that we can put loads on it and the load can come down instead of carrying the heavy loads, working very hard. So we can make something like wheels. So they cut the trunks into 2-3 parts and they attached this to a flat surface, and thus started the invention of wheel. They found out the wheel. Once they understood the wheel, then traveling became easy for them. With the help of these wheels, they could carry loads. They could travel from one place to another. Then the potter's wheel was invented and they could make pots. Wheels are also used nowadays to make yarn. Okay, the spinning wheel is used to make yarn, and wheels are used in vehicles to travel faster. So now let us compare how was the traveling or the transport in the earlier times and the present times. In the earlier times, people traveled mainly on foot or animal transport. So it was very slow. Okay, traveling from one place to another place was very slow. So it was really hard for the early humans. But in the present days, we use vehicles to travel from one place to another. In earlier times, they could travel only on road and water. Okay, in the present times, with the help of vehicles, most of the vehicles have engines in them, which make them travel faster, which make them move faster. Present day humans, modern humans, they travel in vehicles like cars, buses, scooters, jeeps. So because these have engines in them, this helps the vehicles to travel faster. So not only roads and water, but also nowadays transport is even possible in the air. Okay, air transport is also possible, right? Now let us discuss the worksheets in page number 30. In page number 30, you have this, why do people travel? Okay, why do people travel? Here we have two people. One is Manu and the other lady's name is Usha. Manu is asking Usha, hello Usha, where were you all these days? Then Usha says, hello Manu, I have been traveling a lot on office work. So Usha is replying, I traveled a lot for office work. Then Manu is saying, even I travel a lot. The man is saying, even I travel a lot. I went to London for some work. Then I went to Mumbai for my friend's wedding. I had to take my father to Chennai when he fell ill. Okay, three things. What are the three reasons why Manu traveled? One, to London he traveled for some work. Second, to Mumbai he traveled to attend friend's marriage. Then to Chennai he traveled to get treatment for his father. Okay, to get his father treated. So tomorrow I am going to Goa with my family for a vacation. So these are the four reasons for which Manu travels. One is for London for work. Second, Mumbai for friends marriage. Chennai for father's treatment. Fourth one for family vacation. So we can just revise the reasons. One is for work. Second one is for wedding. Third one is for medical help or medical treatment. And fourth one is family trip, family vacation. So Manu is saying now, Usha is saying now, Manu, I have to go now. I have to catch a flight to Delhi. I am going there to put my daughter in a college. Now this is a different reason. Usha is saying, now I am going to Delhi. I am taking a flight and I have to put my daughter in the college. So this is, she is traveling for educational purpose. Now they are asking you the question, why are Usha and Manu traveling? Manu travels for work, to attend wedding, to get medical treatment for his father, then for family vacation. Four reasons Manu has. What are those? For work, for attending friend's marriage, for father's treatment and for family vacation. Why Usha travels? Usha travels because of office work, then to put her daughter in a college. Okay, two reasons for Usha. Now look at this page. The next page you can see here on rickshaw two ladies are traveling, right? So here in train some people are traveling. So here two girls are wearing uniform with their bags, they are cycling. Okay, they are going somewhere. And here you can see some college girls with their bags. Okay, they are using the train for transport. And here you can see the metro train here. Metro train travels within the city. And you can see some people going to their office, okay, their workplace. And here in this small boat you can see people are spending their day on vacation. They are visiting place and looking around and enjoying themselves. Okay, so now page number 31. Picture A, two ladies on the rickshaw. Then the question is, why are these people traveling? For shopping you can write, because they have bags in their hand. They have bags with their with them. So you can write to market or for shopping. Then B picture, they are traveling long distance to meet their relatives. They are traveling to meet their relatives. C picture, two girls are going to school. So you can write to school, to school. Then D picture, you can see to college. Then E picture, to their office or to their workplace. F picture, on a vacation. Okay. Now third question, did you think people traveled when there were no vehicles? Explain with one example. Do you think that people traveled when there were no vehicles, no cars, buses? Do you think people traveled? Yes. People traveled when there were no vehicles. They walked on foot or they used the animal transport like the bulls, horses, donkeys. Okay. So you can write that. Then we go to the page number 32. Travel in earlier times. There is a comic strip here. So read the comic strip and discuss the questions. Kunto was a little boy who lived thousands of years ago. Kunto was a little boy who lived thousands of years ago. He and his family lived in a cave, as they did not have houses in those days. Very often they moved from one place to another in search of food. So why did Kunto and his family travel? Okay, they moved from one place to another place in search of food. They were searching for food. Then Kunto is saying something to his father. You read the comic. Okay. Father, can we stop? We have been walking all morning and my feet aches. The boy Kunto is saying, Father, can we stop here? My feet are aching. My legs are paining. We have been searching for food all the morning. We are walking. Then father says, all right, climb on to the buffalo, children. So this is buffalo. Riding the buffalo is a animal transport. So father is saying, climb on the buffalo because your legs are aching. Then in the second picture you can see Kunto and his sister on the buffalo, and the family is moving from one place to another in search of food. Now questions A. How are Kunto and his family traveling? Kunto and his family are traveling by foot. Foot means walking. By foot and by animal transport. By foot and by animal transport. Then B question. Why are they traveling slowly? They are traveling slowly because they are tired. Okay, all the day they were walking. Then C question. What would have helped them to travel faster? Okay, if you have to arrange something for this family, so with that help, can the family move faster? Yes, vehicles can help them move faster. Okay, if you arrange vehicles for these people, they'll move faster. That is the answer for C1. Now S3, wheels on vehicles. What is this wheels on vehicles? See, previously wheels were used to make pots, wheels were used for carts. But now wheels are there on the vehicle. Scooter has 2 wheels. Cycle has 2 wheels. Cars has more than 4 wheels. Buses have more wheels. Lorries have more wheels on them. So now page number 33, wheels on vehicles, S3. Look at the picture and answer the questions. Okay, there are many people here. One man is on cycle. Young man is on a motorbike. One man is on scooter. There are some autos, cars, okay, vans, buses are there. So look at the picture and answer the question. How has the wheel changed the way we travel? Okay. How did the wheel help us to travel better? That you should write in at least 2 or 3 points. What will you write? The wheel helped the vehicles to move faster. Okay. And with this, people are more comfortable and their life has become easy, and they can travel long distances in short time. They can travel long distances in short time. Okay, 3 points are enough. That's all for now, students. This is block 22 that we have completed. Please complete your worksheets fast, write neatly, put the date. Right? Thank you.